All right, I hope you don't mind if I drive a little fast. I gotta finish this ride and then I gotta go to appointments. So, is it cool? I know it says like 15 minutes, but I bet I can be there in 12.
I mean, it sounds. Like
I got a V8,
okay.
So we can go fast. You mind? You mind?
I mean, sure, I guess.
Okay, watch out. There's a big speed bump right here. Watch out! Watch out! Oh!
Jeez.
You have your seatbelt on?
Jeez. No, I'm putting it on.
Hold on. There's another speed bump. There's another speed bump. Hurry! Oh! Watch out! Oh! Okay, I got a big turn.
Okay.
Got a big turn. Oh. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there's
slow
another
down.
speed bump.
Slow down.
Oh.
The seatbelt won't work.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a cop. Put your seatbelt on. How you doing, officer? Oh gosh, oh my god, he's pulling me over.
Oh
Gosh, I knew I'd get pulled over by a cop.
Yeah, you're
okay,
going so fast.
just sit up, okay? What do I do?
Just act calm. You weren't going that fast, were you?
I haven't been drinking today, I promise.
Tell me you're lying. No.
No, I promise. I haven't had one drink today.
Good.
Okay. All right. Hello, did you order an Uber?
Yes.
Hi, get in. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. You know, I'm gonna just say right off the bat, you're one of the most attractive Uber passengers I've ever had.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
Elizabeth?
Okay, that's a pretty name. Can I call you Liz?
Sure.
So Liz, tell me about yourself. How old are you?
You're
You're over 18, right? I just gotta check.
Yeah.
It's the law, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, are you texting somebody or what?
Yeah.
You know, you can text. You know, we can pull over and you can text if you. I know some people get car sick. You know, I actually live right around the corner. You know, we can just head back to my place and you can text there. How about that?
No, I'm good. I want to go to the actual ride that I paid for.
I know, but you got to text, so don't worry. I don't want you to get car sick and throw up.
I don't have to text.
I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I wouldn't mind if you threw up in my car. It would be a privilege, and I wouldn't even clean it. I would just let it sit there and I'd smell it. Hey, what did you just do?
I think I have to cancel this ride.
You just canceled the ride?
Yeah, I did. Can you
You know what?
pull over right here?
I'll take you for free.
walk.
I'll take you for free. Don't worry about it.
I think it'd be great.
Don't worry about it.
Just pull over. I'm gonna call the cops if you don't stop. I'm calling the cops if you don't stop and you let me get out of here right now.
Are you serious?
I'm serious right now.
We're having fun. We're friends.
No, we're not having fun. You're weird.
We're literally joking around.
No, I'm not gonna.
The whole thing was a joke. Are you
It's
serious?
not a joke. I'm sorry.
I'm
not gonna
pranking
do that.
you.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm literally filming it. So you're on a prank show.
I don't care.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Can you just pull over, please?
Gosh, girls are so insecure. I
don't
swear. Just get out. You'll never find a man. Hello, did you order Uber?
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. How's your day going?
It's going well. Thanks. How's yours?
You know, it's going okay. I'm just, I'm trying to be an actor, and I've been driving Uber all day, and I'm like, I just gotta give it up one of these days, you know, because acting is my true passion, and Uber is just a side hustle. But now it's like, I pretty much drive Uber every day now just to pay the bills, and I think about quitting one of these days to just pursue acting full time. I mean, what do you think?
I mean, I'm sure like driving Uber gives you like the flexibility to like audition and stuff. Like, have you had any auditions lately?
I've had a couple here and there, but I mean, it's kind of slow because I have to turn a lot of them down because I'm just driving Uber. But I feel like maybe if I quit Uber, then I could go to more auditions. Maybe. You want to hear? I can do a voice impression for you real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, have you seen Family Guy?
Mm-hmm.
You know the guy in the wheelchair, Joe?
Mm-hmm.
I can do his voice.
Okay.
You want to hear?
Sure.
Okay. Hey, Peter. Hey, how's it going? Hey, you gonna finish those brownies? What do you think?
That was great.
So I should be an actor full time?
Absolutely.
I quit Uber now?
Yeah, I think that's.
Oh my God, you just inspired me. You know what? I'm gonna quit Uber right now, and I'm gonna be an actor full time. It was so great to meet you. Thank you for inspiring me. I'll see you later. Okay?
What? So I'm taking his car.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Hi, for Uber?
Let's party.
Okay.
Are you ready to party?
Please.
You're my Uber, right?
Yeah, Uber.
And you're taking me to the bar?
Yeah, put your seatbelt on.
Woo!
Chill, be quiet. Can you not be so loud?
Oh my gosh. I've had the
You don't
best
have any open
night so far.
You can't drink in here, by the way.
I'm just gonna
Can you please sit back?
open this and put this
Sit
in.
back.
I am
Do
sitting
not
back.
open that in my car.
How rude am I? Do you want some?
I'm driving, lady.
3 of them here, and I brought
Are you
some.
DUI?
I mean,
What are you
feel
doing?
Like, oh,
You not spill in my car? You know what?
I'm
not
so
standing for this.
sorry.
You just spilled in my
Woo!
car. Please,
Let's
I'm
go.
kicking you out. I'm kicking you out.
I'm sorry?
You can get a different Uber,
Here,
okay?
let me just pour you. Have a drink. You'll feel so
Get out
much
right
better.
here. Get out. I don't know where you are, but just
Wait,
get out.
I like...
Get out
Is
of
this
my car.
Is this the place?
Sure. Get out.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Yeah, Uber Eats?
Yes.
Hi, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Enjoy.
You're kind of cute.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my god, you have a nice car.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my
Yeah, I
God,
just
can
got
I
it.
See the back?
What's that?
Can I see the back of it?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh my god.
Wait, you're gonna get
wow.
inside?
Yeah. Oh my god, you're like kind of cute.
Okay. I
Do
mean,
you want to like hang out right
well,
now?
I gotta do more deliveries.
Did you want to maybe like hang out after?
After.
That's a nice car.
mean-
Are these your headphones?
Yeah, no, don't do that. Don't do that. That's my stuff. Like, wait, what are you doing?
Like, why are you so insecure about it? Like, you don't want to hang out with me though?
I'm okay. I kind of got work to do, but thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, can you get out of the car?
Do you want my number?
I'm okay. Thank you though.
Oh, well.
All right, see
You're
ya.
not that cute after all, actually.
Oh, now I'm not cute.
Bye.
Yeah, I know.